EETV boxes are sophisticated devices that require regular updates to maintain optimal performance and security. Understanding how these updates work is essential for getting the most out of your entertainment system. EETV boxes come in different models, including the standard EETV box and the EETV box mini. Each device is designed to deliver high-quality streaming and recording capabilities to your home. EETV boxes receive updates through an automatic over-the-air system that operates during low-usage periods, typically between 2 and 6 a.m. This timing ensures updates don't interfere with your viewing experience. EETV box updates fall into 4 main categories. Firmware updates modify core system functions and hardware interactions. Software updates improve the user interface and applications. Security updates provide patches for vulnerabilities, and app updates enhance individual streaming services. As of 2025, EETV boxes run on different firmware versions depending on the model. The EETV Box 4K uses the 15.2.x firmware series, while the EETV Box Mini operates on the 12.4.x series. These version numbers help identify compatibility and available features. Recent firmware updates have brought significant improvements to EETV boxes. These include enhanced streaming quality optimization, better integration with Netflix and Prime Video, improved Wi-Fi connectivity stability, and comprehensive security patches to protect your viewing experience. EETV boxes support multiple update delivery methods. The primary method is automatic over-the-air updates that happen seamlessly in the background. Users can also manually check for updates, use USB updates in rare cases, or perform a factory reset with Update as a last resort. Understanding these options helps ensure your device stays current and secure. To manually update your EETV box, start by pressing the Home button on your EE remote control. This will take you to the main menu where you can access the settings. From the Settings menu, you need to navigate to either Device Preferences or System, depending on your EETV box model. Then look for About or System Update option. Once you're in the System Update menu, select Check for Updates. The system will scan for available updates, which typically takes between 2 to 5 minutes. Be patient during this process. If an update is found, you'll see a download option. Select it to begin downloading the update. This process can take anywhere from 15 to 45 minutes, depending on the update size and your internet connection speed. After the download completes, your EETV box will automatically restart. The installation happens during this restart process and typically takes 10 to 20 minutes. Do not unplug the box during this time. For successful updates, ensure you have a stable broadband connection with at least 10 megabits per second download speed. Also, make sure you have sufficient storage space by clearing cache and old recordings if needed. If your update fails, try power cycling your EETV box. Simply unplug the power cable for 30 seconds, then plug it back in and retry the update process. This simple step resolves most update issues.